this is Siyara and Seyara. Today we are going to make a paper flower. Now here are the things you will need. You will need some paper. You can use different colors. And you will need a pair of scissors and a glue bottle. Okay, and look at all these gems. Let's see the colors. So we have yellow.
That is golden.
Yeah, and then red. And my favorite color, pink. There we go.
Glossy pink.
And the last thing you would need will be a pencil and some beads. But I can't forget something like a circle. You can use a lid of a utensil like this. Okay, these are all the things you would need. Let's get started.
Yay!
Okay, so we are going to start by making the stem. We are going to take two colors which would look nice. My sister is going to use yellow and I am going to use green. Okay, now let's get started. First you take your piece of paper and you have to take this edge and start to roll it like this. You have to start to roll it little by little. Whoop, there
And
you
then
go.
pieces tiny.
Yep, little by little, and then it will go huge. Okay, like you can choose any color which is suitable for a flower. So here are the colors we chose. So I choose this milky color which is a bit like peach, and my sister is going to use blue color. Okay. Whoop. Now we got our two colors. Now you have to get your circle lid which we told you would need it. And keep it. Look at how neat they are. Okay, my circles. Whoop, 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 whoop. The 6 circles. Wow. Okay, so now you have to get your circles and let's get started. Okay, get your circles.
On the button.
Nope, all
On
together.
front.
Yep. And now bend it like this. Whoop. Nice and neat. And now into a triangle. It would be a bit hard because there are 6. Okay.
I can fold it much.
And you have to cut this off, but not a lot. If you cut a lot, it would be not good. So cut it a little. Cut.
I think my sister couldn't cut much.
Okay, now in here on this top piece, you can have to cut it as a design. Any design you like. Okay everyone, so here is my 2. They look cute, and if I keep them like this, look how such a cool one it is. Okay, let's see my sister's one. Okay, she's still making it. Okay, so here is my sister's one. Whoa, these both are so cool.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, so you had to get some glue
Bloop, bloop.
and paste these two together. Whoop. I'm gonna paste this two together, and you can like make this go up to make it look cute by doing it like this. This all around. Ta-da! See?
So
And
cute.
now the stem is needed. Okay, get the stem and put away your flowers. So you had to cut out 2 leaves. Yeah, you can use like this or one in one. Okay. Use this white. Okay, so now you have to paste it. So you have to fix it like this and place the bead right over there. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, now you can decorate it with the sequins. So if your flower is falling, fix something like this and then put the flower and paste it like this. Ta-da!
It's a flower mat.
After you're done,